Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel NG from Cost Territory. And guys, quickly today I'm going to share with you 8 websites that will allow you to join them and become an affiliate for their platform or for their product. One of the best affiliate platform we have here in Nigeria is LenovoFlicks, and it's also owned by Nigerians. Sam Harvard. You can see how testimonials of people here are actually using the platform and they are making money from LenovoFlicks.com. Alright, so what you have to do is just go to LenovoFlicksAffiliate.com. So for you to create your own account there, guys, you need to have money. All right, you need to have money. I'm not going to be disclosing the price. You can check that for yourself. I'm not going to show you the website. You can go check out the website for yourself if you want more details about it. I'm not going to be disclosing their prices here because the price varies, guys. So at this time I'm recording this video, the price might not be the same as at next week. So I don't want to confuse people, and I don't want to make it look as if I'm bluffing or saying rubbish, guys. So I'm not going to be disclosing the price. I'm only going to be showing the platform, and I'm also telling you it's not free. All right, so if you want to sign up, you can go check out more about the website and create your own account by paying the money they want you to pay. And guys, LenovoFlicks is a very vast platform because you have a lot of product you can promote, a lot of digital product that you can promote. It's a very big platform, guys, and they walk you through hand. They move you from everything step A to step Z, showing you everything you need to know. They organize tutorials, webinars, and all. I've actually taken a webinar on some Harvard on Zoom, and guys, this guy is amazing, guys. The kind of secret he shares to his affiliate, guys, actually amazing. A friend of mine gave me the login details, so I was able to join them, and it was powerful here with Sam Harvard, guys. So if you want to become an affiliate that earns consistently every single day, then LenovoFlicks is one of the platforms that I would recommend you sign up with. LenovoFlicks is powerful, so you can join up with LenovoFlicks and start making money for yourself. So I said I'm not going to be telling you the price. I'm so sorry for that, guys. Just understand. I'm telling you that the price varies, alright? The price varies. Sometimes it goes up. These guys can take it up, sometimes they can bring it down. So the time I'm recording this video, it might not be the same price for those of you that will watch this video next week and like that, guys. So please understand. So if you're interested in LenovoFlicks, you can go check up LenovoFlicksAffiliate.com and see everything it takes for you to become a member here with LenovoFlicks, guys. You can see LenovoFlicks is #1 here on my list. I highly recommend it because most of my friends are affiliate here, and guys are crushing it, and that's why it's my #1 list here. I don't want to join them, not because I don't have the money to, but then I just don't feel I should, because I'm using other platforms that are actually doing the same thing as LenovoFlicks, and I'm accessing them for free. So why should I pay money when I can access some product and some other affiliate programs for free, guys? So I'm going to be showing you some of those programs that you can join for free and start making money for yourself. So LenovoFlicks, for those of you who are actually looking for a guide, right? You want someone to walk you through the step, someone to show you everything you need to know about the platform and all, in the affiliate marketing industry, then you should come over to LenovoFlicks because they have a beginner's tutorial showing you everything you need to know, walking you step by step. Every week they host webinars and all, just to make sure that you guys are killing it here in Nigeria as an affiliate marketer. So the next one I'm going to show you is also called Affiliated NG. All right, Affiliated NG. Here on Affiliated NG, a friend of mine recommended Affiliated NG, and when I went to check out their profile, I guessed, guys, something. A lot of people here are crushing it here on Affiliated NG. So many people are actually making money with Affiliated NG, and again, guys, it's not still free. You need to pay money to access this profile. You need to pay money to access Affiliated NG. It's not still free, and I'm still not going to disclose the price. I'm only going to be showing you things you need to know about the platform, right? Things you need to know about the platform. So you can see, yes, affiliatedng.com for those of you actually interested in making money, right? But this one is I think way more lesser compared to LenovoFlicks, and the next one I'll be showing you, this one is way more lesser, guys. So if you're interested, you can come over to Affiliated NG, create an account with them, sign up, pay the money they want you to pay, and they take you in depth, giving you every tutorial you need to do, everything you need to know about the platform, and I can go about making money from the platform. So LenovoFlicks #1, Affiliated NG #2, guys. So this is the second paying affiliate program in Nigeria that you can sign up to. If you want a detailed affiliate marketing strategy for yourself, then you can check up this website, guys. They are actually wonderful, and I tell you, we're so happy we have some of these things here in Nigeria, even outside countries. Some of some clients outside country are actually using this platform, and guys, they are making a huge amount of money for themselves. So the next one here is called Expertnaire. Most of you have heard of it a lot. Expertnaire is powerful. Moto show here is a guy doing things, wonderful things here in Nigeria and for Nigerians, guys. So if you're looking for a way to make money as an affiliate marketer, you can come over to Expertnaire, guys. This is super because here on Expertnaire, guys, they have a course showing you everything you need to know, teaching you everything you need to understand about the platform, everything you need to do, everything you need to start doing, what you should not do about affiliate marketing, and how to go about earning real money with affiliate marketing, guys. And most of you have heard of people reviews on the internet. You can see these guys are killing it on Twitter using WhatsApp and all. You can see a lot of people actually making money from Expertnaire, guys. So if you're interested in Expertnaire, yeah, I would recommend as well, because Expertnaire is one of my third best affiliate platform. The reason why I made it third is because, guys, it's too popular. Everybody is talking about Expertnaire, and though yeah, it's nice, but then to me, I just feel you're too popular, then it should be on my number 3 list according to me and according to my channel. So Expertnaire is the third one here for me, guys. So these are the free platforms that you can sign up to as an affiliate in Nigeria. Remember, I told you I will share with you 3, and I will share with you 5 free ones that would not actually require you payment. You don't need to pay anything. All you have to do is just sign up for free. You pick your product and you go about promoting, and when you make sales, guys, they pay you your commission. All right. So for Expertnaire, LenovoFlicks, and Affiliate NG, guys, you need to pay to be a partner, to be a member of the site. You can see on Expertnaire here, you can earn a 75% commission for each sales that you refer. All right. So for each sales that you make, you can earn up to 75% commission, guys. You can see Expertnaire is powerful, but to me, it's on my number 3rd list here. All right. So now, guys, the 4th one we have here, which is absolutely free, is called Stakecut.com. Most of you have heard of Stakecut.com, and most of you have not. If you have not heard of Stakecut.com, then, guys, you should check out Stakecut.com, because here on Stakecut.com, so similar to the 3 that I just mentioned, here it is free, and most of all, they pay you in dollars, guys. They pay you in dollars, which is so powerful. So I'm also a member here of Stakecut, guys. I am an affiliate here on Stakecut, and actually I'm already thinking of becoming a vendor as well, selling most of my courses here on the platform, guys. So it's actually a powerful platform, a big platform, guys, because just closer to Expertnaire, guys, here on Stakecut would also walk you through everything you need to know. They have a university here that would show you everything you need to know about the platform, how you can go about becoming a vendor, how you can create ads for product, and a lot of things that they will teach you, to help you ease your affiliate journey, guys, your affiliate journey. And it's so simple, so easy here on Stakecut.com. So if you're actually looking for an affiliate platform to join in and you don't have money, then I can recommend Stakecut.com. You can come over to Stakecut.com. It's simple to sign up, easy to sign up. You don't need to hide your hide your details. You don't need the VPN. They accept Nigerians and most African countries. All right. So if you're looking for a platform to earn money from as an affiliate, then you can check out Stakecut.com. It's so simple here on this platform. Earn real money for yourself, earn real dollars for yourself on Stakecut, because we have a lot of people actually promoting their product here. And you're an affiliate marketer, you just go here, pick a product, and you go about promoting the product the right way, and you make money for yourself. So Stakecut is free to join. It's so free to join. We have a lot of people actually pumping into the site every single day, guys, and I want you to be part of them, guys. So if you don't have money to pay for the free, you can come here on Stakecut. You can sign up on Stakecut and you make money for yourself here on Stakecut.com. Digital products are being sold here on the platform, so you can just pick up digital product and you can go about promoting, and when you make sales, guys, they pay you your commission instantly, guys, instantly. So that's the 4th one, which is the free platform. Now the 5th one is called Jumia.com. Most of you have heard of Jumia.com, and a lot of you actually don't know that Jumia.com, you can actually pick product here and can promote product on Jumia.com, and you make money for doing that. On Jumia.com, basically most of the goods you can see are all physical goods. All right. So if you're a person that actually loves physical things, like things that you love, that you want to see, you want to touch, you want to feel, then you can come over to Jumia.com. All right, because they would pay you for every transaction that you make here. For every product that you sell here on Jumia, they would pay you for it. For instance, maybe you want to go promoting shoe, we can pick shoes here on Jumia and go about promoting the shoes, then you make money for yourself. So I actually created a full detailed guide, a tutorial video showing you how you can make 50k every single month with Jumia. I'm going to be leaving the link below. All right, so you can check that video and see how to make 50k with your smartphone with Jumia. It's actually for free. All you have to do is just follow the instructions I made mention in that video, and making 50k every single month for free for on Jumia is certain for you. It's certain for you, guys. So make sure you check that video out. You can see here on Jumia we have a lot of product here on Jumia. We have shoes, we have bags, we have cars, we have upports, we have fan, we have a lot of things that you can promote on Jumia, and you make money doing that. All right, so Jumia is the next one. Like I said, I have a detailed tutorial video, a full complete video showing you how to make 50k with Jumia. So make sure you use the link below to check the video and watch that video and see how I was able to make 50k every single month promoting product here on Jumia.com. So simple, and actually Jumia would accept you, even as a Nigerian, they would accept you. All right, so it's so simple. All you have to do is come over here to Jumia, join the Jumia KOL program. All right, so when you join the Jumia KO program, guys, that's not the problem. The problem is how you go about promoting the product. So you want to make sure you watch that video below, where I show you how you can go about making money from Jumia every single month. So Jumia is free, no issues here, no money, everything here is free. All right, so this is the fifth one, which is also a free platform. Now the sixth one is called Amazon.com, Amazon Associate. All right, so similar to Jumia.com. For instance, no, I told you Jumia is going to pay you in naira. All right, Jumia is going to pay you in naira, but guys, if you look at the rate to naira and dollar here now, guys, actually naira is losing its value, right? So I also made sure that, okay, if you guys don't want to earn in naira, at least you can earn in dollars, and that's why I came up with what Amazon.com. Amazonassociate.com is also a platform where you can actually pick product here closer to Jumia, and then you promote and you make sales, and they pay you your commission for doing that. All right, you can see here it's so simple here. Sign up, it's free, recommend product, and you earn. All right, so when people buy through your link, you make money for doing that. All right, just like the way they have Amazon overseas, we have Jumia here, guys. So I said earlier, if you don't want to earn in naira but you want to still make money from affiliate marketing, then you can use what Amazon, because they sell physical product more. You can see these are tripods, these are cameras, these are headphones, chairs, a lot of things that they sell on Amazon, and you can make money whenever someone buys through your link. All right, so this is the sixth website here, Amazon Associate. All right, so if you want to become a partner with these people, you can come over to affiliateprogram.amazon.com. you can search for it on Google, and you sign up, create your own account here, pick your product that you want to promote, go about promoting that product, and you make money for it, guys. So if you want me to show you a detailed video or create a course, now you can be making money from Amazon, guys. So just make me know in the comment section below. So if you want me to create a course, a working course, showing you ways how you can go about making money with Amazon, then you want to tell me in the comment section below. Tell me to make that course, and I will quickly make that course for you, because here on my channel, like I said earlier, I want to disclose the tips, the secret, everything you need to know about making money online, guys. So if you're interested in Amazon, you want to know how to make money with Amazon, you can tell me in the comment section below. I'm going to put up that video showing you how you can go about making money with Amazon. So the seventh one here is called Fiverr.com. Most of you actually have heard of Fiverr.com, and guys, you're on Fiverr.com, you're not actually selling a product, you're not actually promoting a product. Yeah, you're promoting people's services. All right, you're promoting people's services. You're promoting a real human being here on Fiverr. All right, so what I mean is that instead of you promoting a digital product, you're promoting somebody's services, like for instance, copywriting skills. If you want a copywriter for yourself, right, instead of you buying the course, maybe you want to employ somebody, then you can do that here on Fiverr. So instead of you promoting a full tutorial video maybe from LenovoFlicks and the rest, you can come over to Fiverr and promote people. You promote people and you get paid for doing that. Here on Fiverr, it's so simple to join, guys. You can come over to Fiverr, and if you go down below, you're gonna be seeing where it says join us here, and you can go about guys, making money for yourself by actually recommending Fiverr. You can see where it says affiliate. You can see affiliate here, guys. So you're on Fiverr, you can sign up with a free account and pick your affiliate link, guys. And when somebody comes to Fiverr through your link and maybe orders a particular person to do a job for him or her, guys, they pay you. All right, they pay you. So everybody that you bring to Fiverr that takes a request or perform a job here on Fiverr, guys, they pay you for doing that. All right, so instead of you promoting a digital product, you're promoting the person, a real person service here on Fiverr. All right, so guys, if you're interested, you want to promote digital skills, digital product, you want to promote skills here, then you can come over to Fiverr.com and start promoting people's skills, and you make money for doing that. All right, so this is Fiverr affiliate. You can come over to Fiverr affiliate and start making money for yourself by promoting people's, all right, promoting people's skills. All right, so the last one I have for you guys is called ShareASale.com. Most of you don't know of ShareASale, guys. If you're looking for a big brand that comprises of other brand, ShareASale is just like the drum, where you have a lot of people inside of them, a lot of big companies inside of them. So all you have to do is come over to ShareASale.com. You can promote physical and digital together, all combined together. So depending on what you want to promote, remember, you can promote the physical, you can promote the digital. On Amazon, you're promoting the physical. On Jumia, the physical. So, but on other platforms like Stakecut and the rest, it's also Alright, so on Amazon, you can be promoting the physical. On Jumia, the physical. But on Stakecut and the rest, guys, you can be promoting the digital. Alright, but here on ShareASale, it's combination of the both. You can promote a physical, you can promote a digital, you can also promote a service here on ShareASale.com. So it's a powerful platform for Nigerians. You can come over and sign up, and it's also free. You don't need to pay any money. All that you do is free. You can see this is the affiliate platform. You can see affiliate login here. You can come over to ShareASale.com/affiliate. Alright, ShareASale.com/affiliate, and you come over here and you create your own working account here, and guys, you go about promoting product on the platform and you make money doing that for yourself, guys. So this is actually what I have for you in this quick review video. All right, this is a quick review video showing you how you can go about, you know, picking the right affiliate program for yourself in Nigeria and in some other African countries, guys. So if you're happy I'm making this video, make sure you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, guys, because I have a lot of video coming up soon showing you ways on how you can go about making money with Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and the rest, guys. So if you want to be a partaker of that, make sure you subscribe, guys. And right before you leave this video, guys, actually there's a link on that's the first link in the description box below, where I share a helpful tips with my community on WhatsApp. So if you want to join us, guys, you can use that first link below to join us on our community, where I'm going to share with you bonuses, tips, and tricks, secret that you need to know about making money online. So if you want to be a member of us, you can use that link, first link in the description box below. Join us there and you get a whooping discount for so many things that you're buying, and a lot of bonuses that you can use in making more money for yourself. So thank you for watching this video. I remain NG Charles, and until next time, bye.